Well, the Sacramento Kings trading in their sneakers for some bowling shoes tonight. Not quite as cool looking, at least, hosting their fan favorite Kingpin Classic charity bowling event.
That's right. And CBS 13's photojournalist Dave McCain takes us inside the tournament at Red Hawk Resort and Casino.
We're here today to celebrate the Season of Doing Good presented by Rayleigh's and the Kingpin Classic.
I've never been here. This is my first time. All the fans and everybody participating in it.
It means the world to even have the opportunity to come and talk to this tournament like regular people and laugh and have fun and have a good time. It's priceless, and I'm gonna be honest with you because I want to cry.
You know, for us, it's all about community engagement and giving back. And this event tonight is all about giving back to the Kings Foundation and really paying it forward, especially during the holiday season. And so we're really proud to partner with the Kings, give access to our players while also raising money for a great cause.
This is sick, bro. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I grew up watching the Kings and had season tickets for 25 years and now get to take my kids, so it's amazing.
It looks like they're really enjoying it, to say thank you to the player, to the fans, as well as the players getting the opportunity to be in the community. So I think it's awesome.
You know, meeting the players, you know, that's what makes Sacramento special, right? Our players are accessible, they're here, they're participating. It's all for good fun, and it's all for actually, you know, big Kings win as we enter tomorrow night.